All right, here's our things packed for our 6-month trip to the jungle. Well, we're coming back and forth to Davao, but you know, here's our stuff. Baby getting ready for her road trip. Oh, I missed the sign. Yeah, we're on the open road going to South Cotabato. We're now in Davao del Sur. We are officially out of Davao City. So, yeah. Yeah.
Hang loose.
Okay, we're now about 2 hours into the road trip. So, we're in Davao del Sur. We're in Digos City. And it's just farms everywhere.
We're actually at the halfway point right now.
All right. It's exactly 3 hours into our road trip, and we just reached General Santos. We're taking a pit stop on the side of the road. We're gonna check into a hotel for the night before we go to the farm tomorrow, or whichever day we're gonna do that. Say hey, babies.
Hello.